Good morning to all. Today we'll start page number 92. All of you open your book. প্রথমে জিজ্ঞেস করি, আগের যে টপিকগুলো আমরা পড়লাম, গুপ্তা এম্পায়ার, কুশানাস এম্পায়ার, মৌরিয়ান এম্পায়ার, অশোক সম্পর্কে, হোপ ইউ অল আন্ডারস্টুড। ক্লিয়ার হয়েছে তো সবার কাছে? টুডে fifth topic we learn is that Vakataka rule in southern India. Look at the time when Gupta rule began in North India, the Vakatakas had come to power in the Deccan. Around AD 225, the Vakatakas had emerged as a considerable power. By that time, the Satvahana dynasty had declined. In 4th and 5th centuries AD, the Vakatakas ruled over a large area of Deccan and western India. Prabhavati Gupta, the daughter of Chandragupta II, underline this, was married of the Vakataka king Rudrasena II. Consequently, there was an extension of Gupta influence in the Deccan as well. After the death of Rudrasena II, it was Queen Prabhavati Gupta who had ruled over the Vakatakas. Clear? I hope all of you clear. Meanwhile, the Pallavas were continually increasing the strength in the southern part of Andhra Pradesh. Around 7th century AD, the Pallavas and the Chalukyas had emerged as the principal powers in South India. Keep in mind that the Pallavas of the south are different from Pallavas or the Parthians. We have already read about the Pallavas and the Parthians. Yes or no? Okay. One thing remember, in South India, Pallavas, Chalukyas and Chol, three dynasties were the main powerful dynasties in South India. Okay. So Pallavas, Chalukyas and Chol. Clear?